How can I prevent a bank levy from creditors? Imagine waking up one morning and finding your bank account frozen or drained without warning. That's what a bank levy can do, and it can happen quickly if you're not prepared. When a creditor uses a court order to take money directly from your bank account to cover a debt, it's called a bank levy. The good news is, there are steps you can take to stop this from happening before it's too late. Most creditors can't just seize your funds without going through the legal process first. They must sue you and get a court judgment that confirms you owe money. Once they have that judgment, they can ask the court for a levy. During the lawsuit phase, you have a chance to fight back. You can challenge the debt's validity or how much you owe, which might prevent the court from issuing a levy. Responding quickly to any notices from creditors is key. Ignoring collection calls or court papers can lead to a default judgment against you, making a levy more likely. Always answer court summons and notices on time. If you're contacted about a debt, try to negotiate a payment plan or settlement early on. Creditors often prefer getting paid over going through costly legal steps. Reaching a settlement can stop the levy process altogether. You also have the option to file a claim of exemption. Certain funds in your bank account are protected by law, like Social Security benefits, disability payments, unemployment benefits, or a small amount of wages. Filing a claim of exemption with the court or bank within a specific deadline, usually within 15 days of receiving the levy notice, can help protect these funds. It's important to act fast because missing the deadline can mean losing those protections. If a levy has already been issued, you can challenge it in court. You might argue that the debt amount is wrong, that the proper legal procedures weren't followed, or that the funds are exempt. Courts can sometimes reduce or cancel a levy if you present valid proof. Getting legal advice early can make a big difference. An attorney experienced in debt and creditor law can help you understand your rights, file exemptions correctly, and negotiate with creditors. They can also advise if bankruptcy might be a better option, as filing for bankruptcy generally stops most collection actions, including bank levies. Proactively protecting your bank account involves more than just responding to legal notices. Keep your funds in accounts that have legal protections, like retirement accounts or certain trust accounts. Avoid mixing exempt funds with non-exempt money, which can make it harder to defend against a levy. Some states also allow you to designate certain accounts as exempt or limit how much can be taken through a levy. Finally, remember that creditors have a limited time to sue you for unpaid debts. If the statute of limitations has expired, you might be able to use that as a defense to prevent a levy. Knowing these rules and acting early can save your funds and help you manage your debts within the law. Avoid common mistakes like ignoring court notices or not asserting exemptions on time. Being informed and responsive is your best defense against losing access to your money through a bank levy.